Kim.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're at PW Insurance. And the question of the week is, and we get this all the time, why does car insurance cost so much? Why does it keep it going up? Why does it increase? Back in the day, it was so much money. Now it's more expensive.
Yeah, it's a lot more expensive.
Right. So,
yeah.
Can you start explaining why?
Well, for sure. So, we've talked in other videos about the different factors that go into determining your car insurance rate, and we'll link to that video up there. But I've definitely noticed, I know you have, that car insurance as a whole has increased in cost significantly over the past few years. And there are, I've kind of narrowed it down to 4 major causes for this. You want to take number 1?
Sure. So first one is increased cost to repair vehicles. I mean, I don't know about you, with the cameras in the back of the bumpers and even in the front, it costs more to repair those vehicles now because of all the electronics.
Yep, exactly.
Yeah.
And just the fact that these cars cost a lot more than they used
cost
to.
a lot more. I know back in the day they cost more like a house now.
Right?
I mean,
exactly.
Yeah, so they're expensive.
Yeah. So number 2, the other thing we've noticed a lot, and statistics really back this up, is the increased number of distracted driving. So people that are texting or eating or talking on their phone, that definitely has increased the quantity of accidents that are going on. So that's definitely a factor as well.
Another factor, unfortunately, is personal injury attorneys. More and more people are using them to assist them with claims. And so in that aspect, you're paying out more in legal fees, and that tends to drive the cost of insurance up as well.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, the attorneys aren't lying when they say they get you 3 times what you would otherwise, right?
Yeah.
And that's okay, right? Sometimes it makes sense to use a personal injury attorney, but just know that if on every claim insurance company is paying out 3 times what they would normally pay out, eventually that's going to catch up to all of us, right?
Right. It does, yes.
Yeah, and so then the last one that I always mention, and this is an issue everywhere, but it seems like particularly in Washington we have an ever increasing number of uninsured drivers. Mm-hmm. Estimates usually are between 15 and 17% of drivers in Washington are driving out without insurance, and so that means, like, by default, everybody else's insurance is about 15 to 70% more than what it would be otherwise if everybody was insured. But really, it's more than that, because statistically, people that are uninsured cause well more than their fair share of accidents. So it's probably more like 20 or 30% more that we pay because a lot of people don't have insurance. So that's a biggie.
Yes, and that. In other, like Canada, for example, they have a system where they actually know when you don't have insurance and when you do, and they actually can find those people that don't. In Washington State, we just don't have that opportunity. So uninsured motorist is a must in our state, because you get hit by an uninsured motorist, and you want to make sure you have that protection.
Yep, it happens every day.
Every day.
Yeah, definitely make sure you have that uninsured motorist coverage.
That's right.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found that helpful.